teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to show you on how to play slime. So let's go. So if you are still here, I want to show you on how to play with slime. So the first thing is, of course, prepare your slime. And then I want you to take out the slime from the container. Ooh. And then play around with your slime. So just touch around, feel the texture, pull around. As you can see, there's a chocolate mix. So you can pull the chocolate out and put it in the container. So you parents might be wondering, what are the benefits that my children could get by playing with this slime? Is that the first one is to reduce touch sensitivity. Because let's be real that there are some kids who are very sensitive with different textures of items. So by introducing them to this slime, it helps them to reduce the touch sensitivity and allow them to have fun playing with other items such as ball, trampoline, and etc. And the second one is to enhance messy play, because messy play is part of their development, and we want them to get messy. We want them to enjoy all the sensation that they could get by playing with slime, such as tactile, which is touches. We want them to enjoy the sensation that they could get as a part of their entertainment, while understanding that all of their sensations are active. And last but not least, to enhance their finger strength, because we want them to be able to use their fingers and able to manipulate their fingers while doing daily life routines such as put on button and put off button. And age appropriate would be around 6 years and above, because we don't want them to eat the slime. So 6 years and above is good enough for them to introduce to the slime. So that's all from me. Thank you.